Let's talk about all that snow. Here's a live look at Chardon Square. You can see some snow there, but really the roads have cleared up nicely, which is good news if you're expecting someone home, if you're heading out, maybe heading home from work, whatever it is. That is what we like to hear. So let's go to our chief, who's been up. Basically, what did we say? You got 3 hours of sleep since yesterday. So
it's all good.
You've been up, you've been at it, and keeping us safe.
Yeah.
It's actually been really interesting to kind of watch it all come together. That's the nice thing about working kind of this continuous time, is that you're ahead of it, you're in it, and then you're after it. And you can kind of see how the whole forecast shakes out. We have more than a foot of snow that has fallen in eastern portions of Lake County, far western Ashtabula County, both Madison and Geneva picking up 13 inches. And even within these areas, there's variability of a couple of inches. So keep in mind, these are point-specific snow reports from the National Weather Service snow spotters. But you can see 7 inches of snow up around Fairport Harbor, 10 inches over toward Pierpont, about 8 inches or so in central portions of Geauga County. You move farther west, obviously lighter amounts, but the secondary snowbelt got hit pretty hard too. 3 inches in Rocky River, 4 inches in North Royalton, and then farther west and south. This is where that band really started to fall apart. Just over a quarter of an inch, not even a half inch of snow for Lorain, and about a tenth of an inch of snow or so in the Bath area of Summit County. Just over an inch in Broadview Heights. So it really came in quick and it hit hard, but thankfully it is a far cry from what we had earlier this morning right now. Temperatures are still in the 20s. Our wind chills are still in the single digits and the teens. We still have some ongoing light lake effect snow that will linger into the night, but overall it looks like the worst of it is by us. As a matter of fact, let me put this into motion for you here and you'll be able to see kind of the flow of the atmosphere that we have going on. And we're still getting some of the lake moisture coming off of Lakes Michigan and yes, even Superior. There's a little connector that kind of comes around here. So if you draw the line of where those snow showers are going, I mentioned earlier that we have snow showers southwest of the city, and that is coming in off of Lake Michigan, believe it or not, way back here. It's kind of leftover snow. Then farther to the east, we've got a heck of a band that's coming off of Lake Huron. I think that misses us, although we may get clipped by that in far northeastern Ashtabula County and over toward the Erie area. So we are going to hold on to the lake effect snow chances, especially east as we head through the night. Technically, that lake snow warning is still active, but it does not look like we have any major snowfall that is still to come. I think the worst is behind us. All of us, though, dealing with these frigid temperatures, unfortunately, and it is going to be staying cold, at least tonight, and it's going to stay cool tomorrow, but look what happens over the next couple of days. 24-hour loop for you. There'll be another wave of energy that moves to the north of us tonight. We miss out on those snow chances for tomorrow, but you can see in the afternoon we're just dealing with cloudy skies. The afternoon on Thursday will be warmer. We get a nice push of warm air that comes in here later in the day on Thursday, so I think we're going to see our temperatures hiking up nicely just at the same time that we have a lot of rain that is going to start to move in, and that is what will be with us on Friday. We're anticipating rain likely across the area on Friday. Temperatures should be well above freezing, so we're not worried about any of the frozen stuff, but it's going to be kind of wet around these parts. Now, let's talk about tonight. Variably cloudy skies, temperatures in the 20s and even the teens across much of northern Ohio. The wind chills will be significantly cooler. Then tomorrow with some sun here and there, I think we make it back into the upper 30s. Clouds will then be on the increase for your day on Thursday ahead of that rain on Friday. Let's go through your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. There's your lake effect snow that is going to try to hold on. It's living its best life, but it's a pretty short life now. Notice farther south, we still have those wind chills that are in the teens and single digits as we pass the midnight hour. But we are partly cloudy. That more westerly wind will build in, even a southwesterly wind tonight, and that should shut off the lake effect for tomorrow. We'll start mainly cloudy and temperatures in the low 20s, wind chills in the single digits and low teens. We'll go back and forth with a mix of clouds and sunshine into Wednesday midday, and then in the afternoon, that's where we're going to find our peak temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 before we start to go partly cloudy with Wednesday night into Thursday. Here's a look at your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Upper 30s for your day tomorrow. We'll be closer to 50 then on Thursday. Clouds will be increasing ahead of that rain that moves in on Friday, but we're still going to have temperatures in the mid-40s. Few showers lingering on Saturday. We'll have more scattered rain chances coming in Sunday and Monday. I'd have to say out of all of it, this is where we're starting to see the biggest changes as far as rain trends or drying trends coming this weekend, is that we're amping up your rain chances this weekend. So that could play with some of your outdoor activities. I know a lot of folks are going to be looking at lights around the area, so you may have to account for a little bit of rain.
So for the snow on the ground, clock is ticking. It's not going to be around much longer.
Exactly.
Betsy, thanks.